Date of poll is 5th and counting is 8th, and 5th again we have very deliberately kept Wednesday, क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं सब दिल्ली वाले वोट करें, इसलिए इस बार भी महाराष्ट्र की तरह हमने इसको वेडनेसडे में रखा है. Entire election process after counting will be complete by 10th, and this is, we are doing elections in by polls also in Milkipur in UP and Erode in Tamil Nadu. Before you ask me why other by polls are not being done, let me answer it here. Save one question from you. You can ask another question. There are two constituencies in J&K which are also due for election, Badgaon and Nagarota. Because of snow conditions, we will do it later. We still have time till April. Before that, we will complete those elections. There are two more. One is Basir Ghat in West Bengal, parliamentary constituency, and one is Bisabadar in Gujarat MLA Assembly constituency. In both these cases, PC, both are PC, sorry. In both these cases, there are election petitions pending, and the rule is that if a election petition is pending, we do not do by-elections there. The moment EPs are decided, we'll be ready to do it, as was the case with Milkipur earlier.
Sorry, sir, Visavadar is AC only.
Visavadar is AC only, yeah, I know. So, friends, thank you very much. With this, I come to an end of this press conference. I would request, again, before ending, it's a festival which I am sure Delhi will celebrate.
तो चुनाव की तारीखों का ऐलान हो गया है. दिल्ली चुनाव 5 फरवरी को होगा, मतदान 5 फरवरी को, और नतीजे 8 फरवरी को आ जाएंगे. 5 फरवरी यानी बुधवार को मतदान होगा और नतीजे 8 फरवरी तक आएंगे. 70 सीटों पर, सभी 70 सीटों पर एक फेज में एक दिन मतदान होगा दिल्ली में. इसके अलावा मिल्कीपुर के चुनाव का भी ऐलान किया गया है, तो कुछ बाय इलेक्शंस का भी ऐलान किया गया. लेकिन मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त ने कई अहम जानकारियां दी हैं दिल्ली चुनाव से संबंधित. दिल्ली चुनाव को लेकर क्या तैयारियां की गई हैं वो तो उन्होंने बताया ही, लेकिन चुनाव की तारीखों के ऐलान से पहले उन्होंने वो तमाम आरोप जो पिछले चुनावों से अभी तक लगाए गए थे उस पर सफाई भी दी.